Hiya and welcome back to the channel. So yeah, as you can see, I think you can see, not a lot has changed. So I've been waiting on some materials. I'm trying to, for my next video, or well, what should have been for this video, I really wanted to start getting the floor in. I've really got a great idea for the floor, which is going to help when it gets really cold. Looking forward to showing you that. It'll be a big learning curve because it's something I've never done before, but I'm going to keep that under wraps. That should be in next week's video if the weather holds out. Forecast says it's going to be good, but I'm still waiting for like I said, for a few bits to come. We've had really bad weather as well over the last week, so not really had a chance to do a lot. So for this vlog, I tried to do something different. I went in Sligo. They've got a replica of a Spanish galleon that's arrived. I went and took some video of that. I'll show you. I'll put some video in now of that. And then I went to Glencar Waterfall in County Sligo as well, which is not too far away from where the Galleon was. And then in County Leitrim, we have Acre Lake with a floating jetty, which was really cool, beautiful place. And yeah, I'll put a bit of video in for that as well. The problem is I'm really new at this, and doing those type of videos, I'm really bad at, really bad at. I can't talk into my camera in public, to be honest, just yet. I can't. So what I'm thinking of doing is, to get practice at that, is I might go out and video a few bits and pieces, a few places that are local to me, really. Yeah, but if you want to see how this van conversion is going to continue, definitely like this video, and well, maybe not this video, but like some of my videos and subscribe, and I will crack on with this, definitely. Once what I'm waiting for the floor comes, I already have everything else, and it'll just be boom, and we can really crack on then. What I'm going to do in this video is we're going to have a look at that repair I did on the side from a few videos a couple of weeks ago. It's been 2 weeks. I've been using this van every day. We've had some horrendous wind here. I think my last video you saw it was quite windy. Horrendous wind. We've had battering rain. Yeah, all the stuff you get in June and July in Ireland, the usual. So yeah, I thought what we'd do is we'd go and have a look at it now. Okay, so as you remember, I did the repair here on this corner of the van. I'll step back a bit so you can see that. I just sprayed it in a bit of white to make it look a little bit more appealing, although you can see I missed quite a lot. It was just to have a go. So basically what's happened is we do have along here, I don't know if you can see that, I'll get in as close as I can. Along there is a very small hairline crack. It goes all the way along there. Now it also is here as well. There's a very small very small crack. I don't actually think it is a crack. You can feel it. I think what it is where, I'll show you again, I didn't actually build that out enough, and it's just literally where it stops, because when I sanded that down, I've taken it away from the edge. So it's actually held out really well. I'm definitely a fan of this way of doing it. If you've got a spare bit of this material somewhere on the van, as you know from, if you watch my previous video, which I'll put a link at the end of this video to, you'll see that it's actually the bulkhead, the original bulkhead that I used. Just for if anyone's new, I'll just show you now. So the flooring, which is the flanonik, I can't even say it. The flooring, if you watch the video yeah, so I've basically used that to replace my bulkhead. Yeah, it was a lot of it in the last video when I did the pipe through as well. Yeah, so I have another sheet of it here on the floor, which is to go up here. I've got to cut the centre out. I've got to cut the centre out of that, and that's going to go up there. I'll be honest, I think I've said this in probably 3 of my videos, the plan for up here, but I'm desperate for a bit of content this week, so because it's all gone horribly wrong. So yeah. So, and again, because that's where my repair was, so I've left space there so I can run a timber from the floor up to fix that into as well, to give that extra strength, because once because I've got to also take this piece out. Once I've took this piece out, the only bit that's going to be original is between there and there, which is probably about 2 foot, not even. So I'll do the same with the timber along and up, and then I'll run a timber completely from top to bottom to join it all together and basically build a large frame there. So those are kind of what I'm planning to do next, although because I've kind of done a video on that, I won't put it in the next video. The next video is going to be doing the floor. I can get on with the floor before I do that. I'd like to get that done first, but again, the weather's just been so bad. That was the plan, you see. The thing for the floor would arrive, the weather would have been good. I'd have had, you know, it is June, July. I'd have had those done, finished, ready to go to get the floor in. But I've got 1 more week, so I'm hoping that within that week, now I need to use the van for 2 days of that. I can cut out the top, get that done. I can get this piece finished. There's the piece of material that's going to be replacing up there. I can do that, and I can start to build in there. And then, like I say, next week will be the floor. Looking forward to that. And then the week after that will probably be, I don't know, we'll have to see. We'll have to see on that one. Well, I'm really sorry that this video is horrendous. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. It is worth subscribing, I promise. If you press the subscribe button, it's completely free to you. There won't be many bad videos like this one, I promise. There won't. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.